In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header to Google Sites. Adding a header can really elevate the overall appearance of your site, drawing attention and providing the first visual impression for your visitors. Let's dive in and walk through how you can seamlessly integrate this important feature. To start, open your Google Sites project. If you're unfamiliar with Google Sites, it's an intuitive website builder provided by Google, designed for people of varying technical skills to create, share, and manage websites effortlessly. Once you're inside your project, you'll want to navigate to the page where you wish to add the header. This is crucial because each page can have its own unique header, giving you flexibility and creative control. Now, to add the header, move your cursor toward the top area of the page. As you hover over this area, you'll notice some changes on the screen. Specifically, an option will appear. This is your cue. Hovering over will activate the option to add a header, which can sometimes be subtly displayed depending on your screen size or device. Next, click on the Add Header button that appears. When you click this, you're given a dynamic space where you can customize and design your header. This area will serve as the introductory part of your web page. It can display your title, logo, or even an image that sets the tone for the page content that follows. This is your canvas, so think about the elements you want your visitors to see immediately. After clicking, consider what you want in your header. A simple title might suffice for a minimalist look. However, if you want a more engaging header, you might incorporate brand colors, a background image, or animations. Anything that aligns with the site's purpose and identity. Personalizing this area helps in creating a visual hierarchy, guiding your visitors' focus right from the get-go. Do remember though to keep the balance between aesthetics and functionality. A header that's cluttered could be visually overwhelming and might detract from your main content. Instead, aim for a clean, informative look that represents your brand or personal style adequately. Once you've arranged your header to your liking, remember to save your changes. On Google Sites, your work is automatically saved, but it's always wise to double check. Preview your page to see how the header appears across different devices. Google Sites has a handy preview tool for desktops and mobile views, ensuring your design is responsive. And that's it, you've successfully added a header to your Google site. This small yet vital step will enhance your visitors' experience, making your site both welcoming and professional. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to experiment and let your creativity shine as you design your Google Sites header.